guys, I got more problems with the bike. This is a vlog. I take you along with me. You can see that wear on the fork there. It's not very deep, so don't worry, it's not going to snap. But I'm still having problems with my headset. It's really bizarre. Well, for one, this piece here that's supposed to go on the bottom of the fork there, a part of the race, you're supposed to pretty much hammer that on. It was loose on the fork, which can't be good. This is the bottom bracket or race, and as you can see, the wear on the one side there. Nothing anywhere else but there. That's where the fork's been rubbing, and it pretty much feels like your steering is locking up when it does that. And it digs right into the fork. There's a groove in the fork from it. If I put the bearings in the race and throw it on the fork, I can show you. So from what I can tell, there's supposed to be like a gap there. It's not really going to show because I took the bottom race off. But if it tilts, basically it's like this. There should be a gap, but what's happening is I think it's tilting like this, and it's rubbing. So, and I mean it rubs bad. It feels like your steering's locking up, and it's done to me a couple of times. Now, I was thinking I was going to just like grind some of this down, and that would probably get rid of the problem. But then that's less race in the frame. You know what I mean? I don't think that's going to get rid of it, because if this is moving in the frame, it's actually going to do it more when there's less of this lip. So this is a major issue with this bike. Well, put it this way, if I can't figure out how to fix this, I have to replace the front of the bike. It's unsafe to ride. You'd be flying around doing 45, and then all of a sudden your steering gets really tight when you hit a bump or run in the road at high speed, and all of a sudden the steering will just lock up. It's freaky too, because as soon as you stop and pick up the bike and turn the steering wheel back and forth, turn the bars back and forth a couple of times, it loosens up and then it's fine again. And it's not the top nut loosening or tightening up on the race or anything like that. It had Loctite and everything. It was like dead tight. So it's locked. Like, I know how to adjust those. So that has been the issue. So I went and ordered a new headset, and we'll see if we can get rid of that problem. And if that doesn't get rid of it, then it looks like we're buying another bike, because I can't keep riding it like that. It's brutal. Maybe that's the reason why it was scrapped when I bought it first. Paid a few bucks for it to begin with. Could have been a defective frame. So, I don't know. Like I said, I ordered another one, and we'll see if that gets rid of that really weird problem. Like, these are Walmart headsets, so it's not state of the art. It's not machined very well to start with. And even this one shows a little bit of rubbing in there too. I don't know. We'll try the new one and see if that works. But I just got back from a ride, and that's the issue I'm having with the bike now. Is I cut the ride short because it kept locking up on me. I'd stop, turn the wheel a couple of times, and then go again, and it's fine. It's really weird. So, if I have to ride it like that until I get a new bike, what I'll do is I'll just slap some bearing grease right on that area right there. At least make it smoother if it starts rubbing again. But I'll do a review on the headset when I get it in. Later, guys.